Hi, it's Fiona. How are you all? I'm a little bit under the weather, so I thought I'd just do my unboxing first, and I won't be doing my normal live later. So, good if you can join me now or catch the replay. Just find my video over there so I can see it. Make sure I've got it up on the screen. Yep, oh, I can hear it there. You can hear me twice. Just got to turn that off over there. Right, got it. Right, we've got the sound. Good. So, I got 2 boxes. So, there is a sale on at the moment on the website, and this is with Stampin Up. So, as you can see, I'm an independent Stampin Up demonstrator. I'm in Pyrmont. And I'll just go to the phone and pull up the website for you. Stampin Up. Just waiting for that to pop up. Okay, so when you go into the website, it comes up with all these things that pop across the screen. So that's coming up, the album thing. They've got Save on Sweets. So they've got a sale on till the end of June with these sweet sales. So it's sweets, full sweets, or parts of sweets. So I'll explain why I've got 2 boxes, because I decided to do it that way. That's all my details. That's how to find me. So let me know if you're here. I'll pop this into YouTube as well later, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it and you want to see when I'm live next as well. Find me easily. Just get this now. I think this might be the bottom of the box. They've started putting the tape on the bottom, but I like seeing the tape with the words Stampin' Up, so I turned it over. I could feel it. Right, so this was my second order, so I put 2 in, but they came at the same time, so that was really good. I didn't do them the same day. What have we got in here? Oh, that's big. Oh, party alphabet dies. Ooh, I've been waiting for this. So this goes with, what else have we got? Party banner dies. Look how big they are. They don't even fit on my screen. They're so big. Look, that's how big they are. Now it's gone all, where's my focus gone? Okay, let's get some focus going. Okay, so that's my hand. That's how big it is. I've really been waiting to get these. So handy. Let's pull them out of the packet and let's have a look. Oh, I'll just pull them all out and I'll put it all away later. So these are dies to go in your cut and emboss machine. Look how big they are. These are all letters, so we've got the whole alphabet. Oh, wow, look at that. Cool. Alright, so that's how big they are. And then I'll just get this one open and show you what's in this one. So that's called Party Alphabet Dies. And this one is called Party Banner Dies. So they work together, and of course you can use them separately as well, wherever you like. Let me just pull this one out. Look at that. Look how big they are. Let's just grab a letter for a minute. We'll pull off the letter. Pull off the letter T. That's how big that is. So you can see that you could put some little words across, or, go that way. Put one on the banner on its own. So you've got lots of things to do with that. That looks like lots of fun. On the track. So you've got all your little holes here too to put on things. Alright, that looks great. Put that over there. And this is another. So that was in the annual catalogue. Came out in the annual catalogue. This one is a pre-order for demonstrators. We can order early. So this is coming out in July. This is called the Sunflower 3D embossing folder, and I've seen a few people making things with this already in the demonstrator world. Just going to pull everything out, dump it on the desk. clean it up later. Look at that. So I will definitely be playing with this one in the next few weeks. Look how big it is. It's huge. You can make some beautiful big cards, or you could do 2 at once and cut it down the middle. That is gorgeous. So it's a beautiful embossing folder, 3D embossing folder. Sunflowers. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, put that over there. Now we'll get to this bit. So these papers, I've got 2 packets because my next card class that I'm running, the people get half a packet each. So I've bought 2. So when you order some, these are in a suite. They are part of the beautiful gallery. And so when I order these, you get, if you just buy 2 like that at the moment in June, you'll get 1 for half price. So if you buy a whole suite of things and these, it would automatically go to the cheaper item and make that half price. So in my box, this is out of another suite, but I really wanted it for my class and I haven't bought the whole suite. So what worked out was I got this for half price. So just, yeah, how are you working it? So in my next box, I'll show you what is in there and explain more. So those papers, that's all that's in that box. Lots of air. Means our things come nicely. And I think this will be upside down too. So I separated the order because I wanted to get these sweets. And I'll show you what I got. Here they are. So I got the Take to the Sky suite, that's the paper for that one. And I'll show you in the catalogue in a second too. It's in that one. Okay, so I got this one as well. How do you say that? Kintsugi Inspirations. So that's a whole suite as well. So let me just grab my catalogue. And if you look on the website, you'll find the suites. There's a whole section at the moment on product suites. Just get rid of my little hexy chart and we'll just find the suite. So if you look at the back of your, if there's something that's in the annual catalogue, just looking, guys, sweets. So I've got sweets. There's a whole section on sweets. Punches, maybe not in the back. Okay, well, let me look up the designer series paper. If I go to the, which one is it? Bouquet, beautiful bouquet, bright, splendid. Can't see it here. Because I'm looking, that's why, isn't it? I can't argue it is here. Specialty Designer Series, like Kintsugi Inspirations, page 117. If I go to page 117 in my catalogue, you'll see the whole suite here. Alright, so this is the whole suite. This one here, and that's the paper. Oh, hang on, no, that's just the paper. I've gone to the wrong page. That's the paper you're getting in this suite, so I won't open the whole packet right now. That's the paper. Okay, so there's another section here I'm trying to find. Just a minute. Back here somewhere. There's those dies in the alphabet that I just got. The big one. Let's flick through. Okay, so that one, let's keep going, Fiona. Just keep going. Keep going. If you look at the top, okay, there's the bundles. So that's the bundle I bought with these dies here on page 86 of your annual catalogue in the other box that I just opened. So you can see how you can make some beautiful banners with it. Great for birthdays with that first paper. Oh, what's happened to my internet? Something going on over there? I just froze for a second. I'm still here. I thought this one would be good to make some Father's Day cards. Look at all those. Oh, I don't know why. No one else is on the internet. It's just be one of those days. And the internet mucks up on me. So this is the aeroplane one. I call it the aeroplane one. It's called Take to the Skies. Got little maps. So you get 2 of each of these. We saw some lovely displays of this at Onstage. They showcased it. Look at this. Clouds. Lots of clouds. Oh, look at that. Terrain. Oh, gosh, that takes me back. I feel like I'm a teenager again. I used to do hiking and stuff. To read the maps. Very gorgeous. Okay, and then you've got 2 of those as well. So you can make lots of little cards and tags and things with that. Let's pop that over there. See if we can find the rest of that one. I don't know, that's the other one. I'll just try and find that one. Here it is. There's the stamps that go with it. So I've got Happiest Father's Day. Happy birthday. I like that. Good options there. Okay. Now, we've got the Pop-Up Pals kit that I decided to get. So I will make one of these up one day. This is what it looks like. So this is all just stick together stuff. This is only $17 something. And I thought, what a great little kit. You know, I love kits. So it has enough in it to make those. And they have little pop-up bits on them. Very cute. A couple of those. So I can have one on my stall. And I've got joined together. Okay, so we'll go to this other set now. The inspirations, the paper I got out. This is beautiful paper. You would just pull it out. And it has beautiful gold on it. So I don't know if you've seen this before, but they make these things, see the vases? Where they do them sometimes. I saw it at the craft show last year or the year before, where they had a whole work class on it. And actually break the crockery and put it back together with the gold. It's really artistic. Beautiful paper. Oh, I can see me colouring that in. That's the paper. Put that back in my bag so I don't get it stuck to anything. And what have we got? We've got the Inspiring Imperfections dies. I can't remember which one that is. I just have to look at that. What was in there? Goes with something. Let's just see what's in that one. Oh, okay. So it must be the stamp set called Inspiring Imperfections. There we go. So that goes with that. So you can make your own little pieces with these lovely little cracks. All the cracks in the stuff. Lovely. What else have we got? Okay, this one goes with that. The embossing folder. It's got a... Here, we'll pull it open. Why not? There's that one. So you get those lovely... You put that on the back of that. You see it? Lots of pieces in there. Oh, you could do a lot with that. See some things happening in my head. Right, now I just decided to get these. These are metallic textures rub-ons. So they've got, let's see what page they're on. These were in the annual catalogue. Just go into here. Now I've got to find it. Hang on. Work out what page it is on. I just saw it a second ago when I was flicking through. Mix and match. Specialty. That's a good question. What section is it in? Can you see it on there? Anybody? I just saw it when I was flicking through. Let's just flick through again. That's the page I put a post up about earlier. 126. We did this last night. in my team, with my team. Just trying to find that page. Should have stuck my finger in it. There it is. Okay, page 124 was the page before. These ones here, metallic textures rub-ons. So you've got gold and silver in there. I'll just open that and we'll have a little look. Well, actually, probably don't need to open it. They look like, you can see what they are there. I don't want to open the whole packet. But they're those rub-on things, so you can put them anywhere and rub them on with your bone folder. There's lots in there. What have we got here? Flower accents. They go with something. With one of the sets. Trying to think what they go with. Flower accents. I'd have to look on the website. Hang on. Let me just go and look at that. I've got it open over there. Flower accents. Okay. So if you click on it, it tells you it's part of the Kintsugi Inspirations collection. So the cracked looking one that I just opened. I decided to get this, long time no see, because I thought it was cute. And you can make up this little one with the head up here and the body down here and do all sorts of things with it. So that looked fun. And I liked it because it also had these in it. So they work with, you know, you can use it a lot. It's a cute little stamp set. And this one, now this is in the last chance, I think. Beside me. Type the word beside in. Yep, that's in last chance. So it's on special. Well, I can't read it from here. $23. It's half price. And again, it's got the Father's Day in there. Which, because I make cards and sell them, it's good to have all those sorts of things in my stash. I just thought it was a really nice set. I love the little birdies. So that is a cling, the red rubber one. That other one was a photopolymer, the clear ones. And we've got my strawberry slush blends because I forgot to order them last time. So there they are. So make sure you always check your blends, check everything when you get it. I've got to get in the habit of checking my cling stamps actually, because I tend to just put them on the shelf and then use them. So you've got to check them, they look all right. And make sure that they're centered in the stamp cutout bit. Okay, if you ever have a problem with it, let me know. Let Stampin' Up know, and they'll sort you out. That's the other kit that I bought, the same one, the Pop-Up Pals kit. And we've got some strawberry slush ribbon. Because we can. That's lovely. So that's just faux linen, it's called, I think. Faux linen ribbon. It's very nice. So I've got some other colours in it already. I've already got the cloud cover, so it's like that. So there we go. I won't be making anything tonight, but I should be back again next week. So I'll catch you all then and say good night. Ciao. There's my details. See ya.